Samadhi is a term used in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, and yogic traditions. It refers to a state of deep meditative consciousness. People who achieve Samadhi are said to be in a state of profound concentration and oneness with a higher reality. Here's a breakdown of the concept. Core meaning: Samadhi literally translates from Sanskrit as putting together or to collect oneself. It refers to a state of mental clarity, deep focus, and inner peace. Different traditions. The understanding of Samadhi can vary slightly across traditions, but it generally refers to a state of enlightenment or spiritual liberation. In Hinduism and Buddhism, it's seen as a crucial step on the path to liberation, moksha or nirvana. In yoga, it's the eighth and final limb of the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. Description of the state: Samadhi is often described as a state of complete absorption in an object of meditation, a feeling of oneness with the universe or a higher power, profound peace and joy, a state of heightened awareness and clarity. Importance: many traditions believe cultivating Samadhi is essential for achieving enlightenment or spiritual liberation. It allows individuals to transcend their ego and connect with their true selves.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট ও শেয়ার করুন আর নিয়মিত আপডেট পেতে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং বেল আইকনে গিয়ে ক্লিক করুন।